Downloading files directly from your browser can be slow, unreliable, and once your internet drops, you have to start all over again. This is the same file, one downloading from the browser and the other from Xtreme Download Manager. Let me show you how to properly set up and use XDM, be it on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Xtreme Download Manager or XDM is a free download manager that can automatically grab downloads from your browser, resume interrupted downloads, and even schedule downloads to run at specific times. First, go to xtremedownloadmanager.com and download the setup based on your OS. Once the download is complete, proceed to do the installation. Make sure you download the setup from the official website to avoid problems along the process. With the installation done, open XDM. Click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner and select Browser Monitoring. This step is very important. Without this, XDM won't automatically capture downloads. For Chromium-based web browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, the process is similar. Click on the one that applies to you and copy the extension URL from the pop-up. Paste it in your web browser. Enable developer mode if the option is off and drag the extension icon from the XDM window onto your web browser. To allow XDM grab downloads for incognito browsing, click on Details and select Allow in Private. Once done, restart the browser. For Firefox users, click on Mozilla Firefox option. Click on Add to Firefox. Include Run in Private window if you want XDM to grab downloads during incognito browsing, and add. Restart the browser afterwards. Now let's test it. As soon as I click download, XDM automatically takes over with the options of downloading immediately or saving the download for later. This is how XDM works once browser monitoring is set correct. And if your internet disconnects, XDM allows you to resume the download instead of starting from scratch. You can also add downloads manually and even schedule them. I will copy the download link for the Windows ISO file. New download, then choose download later. Here I will create a queue and set a timer for it. This is really useful if you want downloads to run at night or during off-peak hours. If XDM doesn't work for you, check these. Make sure browser monitoring is enabled as shown earlier. Restart your browser or PC after setup. Don't run multiple download managers at the same time. And some servers don't support download acceleration. That's how to properly set up and use Xtreme Download Manager. If you want a follow-up on video downloading or advanced settings, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.